Hey guys, Dig here. I'm just saying hello. And I'm just welcoming you back to another video. It's my game, pretty lit. Well, lit is so old, but anyway, this is Hacked Plays. Yep, and we're just making a vid at the moment. Pretty much all of us are. Anyway, so check out his channel, and this is Blueberry. This is Nightmare. I'm Ink, because I'm the creator. I'm the first hand. And we're just going to test out the game. So, here's some stuff. Not that sort of stuff, but you know what I mean. What I mean. Anyway, come. Wait. Mean. Wait, let's all go to the Nightmare. So, let's all go to the Nightmare Zone. So this is the Nightmare Zone I made, the place where Nightmare lives. I like how metal makes a little noise. Anyway, we're just gonna have some fun. Not that sort of fun, but you get what I mean. Nightmare, try and scare us. Like Nightmare. And so basically we're just running around doing random stuff. Yeah, no. Oh, Nightmare's there. Looks like Slender. Oh my god. And as always, if you hear anything in the background, then it's just my stupid little sister and doing weird stuff. Exactly, she's laughing right now. Anyway, so Underfell stands pretty good. And Nightmare's just flying around trying to scare us. No reason in particular. No. Anyway, let's have a sneak peek of map. So let's go. So Underfell, Blueberry, Nightmare's already hiding, trying to boo us. Just in the ground. Lol. Don't fly. Wait. Spit. Blueberry, you don't have attack yet. Yet. So when people are joining really fast, it's kinda quick, but Underfell stands is just chilling out on the dark floor. Anyway, really nice. Possible. Bit weird. But TB me armor. I'm gonna be No, I'm not. So yeah, here's Metaton Neo. Awesome looking. Nothing like it. Okay, I'm gonna give Nightmare Blaster, but okay. Give me Ink Blaster. Oh, Air Samsung. It's really weird. Okay, yeah. Nightmare, let's show the map. Go. Anyway, of ink coming off my brush. Look. Jesus. Blackness to the waterfall now. I'm already saying hi to YouTube, so yeah. Anyway, let's go to Grillby's. So this is Grillby's. I literally found it in the toolbox and just placed it there for now. I'm gonna make Grillby's by myself, like legit, like instead of just taking out the toolbox. But I think I should just do this for now. So I just need to sketch up the map in a few seconds. So you know, should we end or whatever? So that's basically all this game has to offer. Well, it isn't, but oh, let's play hide and seek. We're playing hide and seek. I just said it. Okay, MRBC fly. Anyway, so we're just gonna play hide and seek. Five already. Not here I come. Here we go, I'm gonna catch them all. Camo! Camo. Oh, okay. Okay, that's all for now. Sorry for this CRAPPY video. Just cooked off in a minute, but well, not a minute, 11 minutes and like 60 seconds, or whatever. See you later. What I do? See you later. What I do? And